Today we hitting the road for another adventure. We're going to these two waterfalls, which I'm not gonna try to pronounce. I'll just put the names and pictures here. Then we're going to this black sand beach that's supposed to be really cool. It's gonna be a long trip. It's like 2.5 hours in the car, 3 stops, but it'll be worth it. We're leaving a little late this morning, which Miss Victoria is very upset about. But I think it's gonna be a great day still. So maybe she'll get over her upsetness.
Someone wanted to sleep more.
Talking about herself, yes. We at the first stop of the day. Don't know how to pronounce the name of the waterfall, but it's one of the 2 famous ones that are like nearby. Not gonna lie, that was pretty special. Like the energy around it, you feel it. So for me, like I needed this like recharge mentally, physically, spiritually. And like I meditated and I could really like feel it. It's amazing like to be out here. Like who would have thought Iceland? This one, I do know how to pronounce. Skógafoss. My Icelandic viewers, let me know if that's right. You know, since we're here, we might as well go all the way to the top. But it's starting to look like a workout. We're at our 3rd and last stop. I think this is super unique. Black sand beach. This is definitely once in a lifetime. Just like look at this. I don't think the camera does the mountains any justice. stopping at Black Crust Pizza. It's this famous pizzeria where the crust is black. I guess in relation with the black sand beach. It's a pretty cool concept. What did we get?
Icelandic legacy.
Whatever that is. I'll say this, the crust is pretty elite actually. Now for real, the last stop, we had to stop at the American school bus. It's like a big orange school bus in the middle of nowhere, a bunch of pastries and drinks. It seems like amazing vibes on this rainy day. Happy Tuesday from Iceland. A little rainy day today. Had a great day yesterday. Been fighting a lot of negative energy lately, which I feel like is part of the season. A lot of darkness, you know, not a lot of sun. The days are repetitive, but I feel like positivity is my best attribute, so it just gotta be me. Sadder 2 days because Tor leaves tomorrow, and that's never a good day. But we're trying to be grateful for these last 2 days we get together. Then we're doing one last workout with my Dennis Rodman rebounder over here. She probably don't even know who Dennis Rodman is. No, she don't.
Yes, I do.
What hair color did he have?
Multiple.
Oh, she knows. But last workout with my Dennis Rodman, and then we have practice. No lift today, and after that we're gonna spend the last evening together. And I need to watch some film because we play the best team or the second best team in the league this week. And I just know I'm getting back to my old ways.
I mean, pink and red don't really go together.
But this is like red pink though. Yeah, it is. You don't agree? She crazy. We call this the community water bottle. This is community. Good sauna session, good workout, great practice. Was on the winning team today. If you know the feeling, you know the feeling. For Tori's last evening here, we're doing a little Costco date. They have a Costco here in Iceland, and we're actually curious to see how it would look, if it's a lot different from the States and stuff like that. Maybe even compare prices a little bit. So let's go on this Costco date. Ja, already know. If y'all know, y'all know. That's all I gotta say. Okay. Just dropped off Tori at the airport. These like the hardest times, cause like you get used to living for a month and a half with like someone like you love the most, and then like she has to go, and you don't know when the next time is you're really gonna see her, and you out here like in a country that's not even your home country, and yeah, you chasing your dream. But like it hits you like I gotta be by myself again after having all these like, beautiful moments. And then I go back and I'm thinking about like I left my parents when I was 16 and I haven't really lived at home for like the last 8 years. So it's like I've done so much, I've met so many people, I've seen places I never thought I would see. But then you realize it's like at the cost of like leaving your loved ones. And it's every single thing has been worth it. But I feel like in this profession, it just like gets harder, cause like I kind of established myself everywhere I go, and I meet people I truly care about. And at a certain point, you realize you gotta leave. Like it's happened with my family, it's happened with my host family. It happens like on the regular with Tori. It's like the worst feeling, but it's also like a feeling of motivation as well. You know, like I'm showing my true emotions. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this or not, but this is like really how it made me feel like. But like I'm thankful for this last month, and hopefully even maybe with the help of you guys, if you keep watching and supporting the vlog, Tori can stop working and we can live full time together, travel the world together. But we just gotta keep being grateful though for the times we have and the times that are coming in the future.